Previously, we have done 1-21. We're going to do 1-22. Solve the proportion. Here we go. But let's learn with the example. Solve the proportion. S over 7 equals to 9 over 1. The key idea is what is S equal to? Now, the key idea is that while a proportion is an equality of two ratios, the ratios in a proportion are equivalent ratios. You can do it by multiply or divide numbers in one ratio by the same value. So you'd have to multiply 7 in this scenario, so S is equal to 63. So take a look at it, and let's do this. Let's get back to the real deal now. We're going to solve the proportion. We're given A over 9 equals to 9 over 3. So what we can prove here is that if we were to say that 3 times 3 equals 9, because if we go back to our rudimentary math, and then we do the same thing about right here. Sorry about my wonky handwriting again. I'm going to just rewrite the arrow like this. And then put the dot here because it's multiplication or an X, but let's just stick to the dot for now. So with that, you get 27. So we're going to check if it's correct or erroneous. Let's go. Oops, sorry. Now let's go. Yeehaw! We know it worked. That's how I do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So we'll see you on part 2. Au revoir! The idea here, as we keep on studying SAT, is how to solve the proportion. So we're on our second part, which means it's our intro. So let's get to it. Solve the proportion. 2 over 1. Okay, 2 over 1 equals to 20 over C. Again, 2 over 1 equals to 20 over C. Moving on. We're asked to solve for C, right? So let's just rewrite it right here. So it was stupid for me to not rewrite it in the first part, so I'm sorry. So we are going to have to bear with me, okay? It may take some time, so yeah. Let's do this. Like that. So what you'll notice here, that 2 times 10 equals to 20, because you know that 1 times 2 equals 2, and 2 times 10 equals to the same thing, except it's a 20, because it's with the 0 right here. Moving on. Let's not get too cocky. You have to do the same right here. So it would be times 10. So I'm going to say in this scenario, it would be 10. So we're going to check if it's correct or erroneous. Let's go. Yeehaw! We know it worked. That's how you do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So we'll see you on part 3 of Wednesday. Okay, guys, how time flies. So we're on our third part, so let's get to it. Solve the proportion. 75 over 10 equals to 15 over A. So let's just rewrite this one right here, because we're going to show the work like men and how mathematicians do it, okay? So let's not get too sidetracked, okay? This is what you should have. Now notice here that if we were to bring this to this side, you would have to multiply by 5, because if we know our 5 tables, 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on and so forth, we know that 15 times 5 is nothing but 50 plus 25, so that would be 75. But what would we get what would we get for A if it were times 5? So let's get to the real deal now. If we know that 1 times 5 equals 5, then we know that A is equal to 2, because 5 times 2 is equal to just 5 plus 5. Okay, 5 plus 5. And that, my friends, is equal to 10. So I'm going to go with what we have. A is equal to 2. Let's do this. Yeehaw! Bueno, it worked! Outstanding! You have mastered the skill and earned a gold medal. You met a challenge. Reveal your prize. Fine. I guess it has been way too long. It's been way too long. So let's do it. Okay, a hamburger and a sailboat. What do you know? So, yeah, that's how you do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So we will see you on the next video, okay? Au revoir!